Good morning, Kawayan. I'm here. Hello, Mylene. Say hello to my vlog. Masasama ka na. Ay! Punta kayo sa YouTube. Mag-like and subscribe kayo sa aking ano.
Nakikita ko, ma'am.
Nakikita ba? Manood ka, ha? Hi, Butchok. Butchok, did you miss mommy? I don't know. This is my mom's cat, dog. And for sure, he misses his mommy. My Butchok, Butchok. I'm gonna go visit some of your brothers in the cage. Well, I'm home now. Finally. Ay, what happened? Nasaan yung mga aso? Oh, look at that. I'm home at the back of our house. Hoy! What is that? Bodega? Naglagay ng bodega? Asan na yung... Oh my gosh! Rocket! Look at that rocket. It's right over there. Ba't ganyan? Mukhang basang sisiw. Oh no. Oh, si Rocket. Oh, alam niya, lola niya. Oh, Rocket. What's up, baby? Si Oreo itong nasa right, ano? Parang magkamukha na sila. Aww. We're gonna play, okay? Naligo ba ito mga to? Kaya pala mukha silang basang sisiw eh. Kasi, ay si Rocket niya yan. Si Rocket, oh. Ay sus, bagong ligo. That's where they, if they get taken a shower, they're gonna stay there to dry themselves. Kasi actually, that's their house. I had my sister, I had this maid. Ako nag-sponsor nito. Imagine, social ang no? Kennels ng aking mom. Oh, hey! Ang iingay niyo kagabi. Huh? How are you? Ay sus, na si ano, oh? Si Chow Chow Chow? Bakit parang may bago tayong ano? Oh. Si Oreo ba yun? Yun yung pinakauna-una. Ayan yata yung aso ni, yung isa doon. Yung aso ni Norman. Oh. Ay. Hello. Malaki ka pa rin. Okay. Look at that. Look at our native chicken. This is so funny. My sister Joy was complaining kasi sabi niya nung nandito siya sa Kawayan, gusto niya kumain ng native chicken. Sabi ng mga tao dito, mga angels namin, hindi daw pwede kasi I'm coming home. They know how much I love eating native chicken. All of these are all mine. Those are my little chingy. Yeah, my chicken. O, siya na. Nandito na kami sa sa bahay. Ay, mukhang ay, James! Magalo ka sa akin vlog. Vlogger na rin ako eh. Oo. Ang dami natin sasakyan. I know. Yung may Raptor. May bagong sasakyan. Alam mo, gusto ko sana mag-drive eh. SUV na kasi yung sasakyan ko eh. Kaya lang, visit ako sa mga tricycle drivers. Oh, yeah? At least ito meron. Nandito pa yung Starex, oh. Ayan ang ginamit namin sa sasakyan. Yan. Grabe. Bakit maganda ang weather, oh. I like the weather.
Dalawang araw na medyo ganito lang ang panahon.
Oh, that's good. Dami namin sasakyan. Wala naman ako maisakay. Gusto ko munta ng farm. Okay. Good morning, Kawayan. So, yun na. Okay. Good morning. It's already Tuesday here. And oh no, it's not. It's Wednesday. I'm staying in my old. This is used to be my room, but it's now the room of my niece. My sister converted and changed the color. And ganda na. Pang teenager talaga, no? Anyway, mag-ano ako? Mag-vlog ako kasi gusto ko i-vlog si yung aking pusa. Ay, pusa. Yung aking aso. Well, aso ni, ano yun? Ni, pangalan yan? Ni Anika. So now, I want to, problema lang dito, hindi ako makaano. Anyway, so this is, it's so quiet here. This is our house. This is our living room. Okay? Very quiet kasi wala na si Mami. Nalulungkot ako. Tapos, pupunta ako sa labas. Well, itong wall, this wall, those are made out of Nara. Noong panahon kasi namin, niregaluhan ang daddy ko ng Nara tree. So yung Nara tree, since my mom is very artistic, pinakat niya and made it and have it curved. So, pag sinasabi mo, we're just, so tingnan niyo yung curve, oh. This is already 50 years. 50 years old. Kasi I remember, I'm 61 na. So I remember this is made when I was 11 ba? And elementary. When I was in elementary. So, so ito used to be our carport where we put our car. Pero mom had this converted to like a lanay. Tapos, lanay. And then, of course, may mga tubig dito kasi dito kami kumakain. Dito nagmamadyong. And then, I remember these stones, galing ito sa Nueva Vizcaya. Yung, nung ano sila, yung dynamite ba yung tawag? Yung mga stones from the mountain. Hinakot ng nanay ko. Pinahakot niya. At turn it to like this. So all the design of this house was all credited to my mother. My mother had this all done. Yeah, I miss my mom. Tapos, when I came home, yan, mamaya, dadalawin ko siya. So, turns out to be, dito dati noon, si carport ito, dito nung high school, this is where we practice. Kasi garden to garden. Kaya lang, hindi na. So, sabi sa akin ng mga sister ko, tulog ka sa sa room ni mom. Sabi ko, ayoko. Mamimiss, maalala ko si mami. Never, so this is another Nara. Puro Nara. Alam mo yung mga furnitures namin? These are all 50 years. No, 50 years. Yeah. 50 years. Yeah. Meron pa nga kami cabinet na So, and this is also Nara. This is my parents. This is my mom and dad's room. Ngayon, ayoko pumasok kasi nga maalala ko si mami. Kaso, my sister Dina gave this room to her second son, Sid. So, they converted this. Hindi ko alam, ma'am. Kasi right now, Anika is sleeping here kasi ako natutulog sa kwarto niya. Ay, ang hirap. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Change ito. Totally change. Naayos talaga to. Oh, wala nang bahid ng alaala sa kwarto ng nanay ko. So this room, medyo makalat kasi, dito kasi natutulog si Anika. Pero, look at that. I'm sharing it to you. Ayan, oh. Makikita niyo. Oh, these are my nephew's seeds collection. So, ito pa. Ta-ta-ta-ta, sabi daw nila. Mahal daw mga ito. I don't know, sabi 15,000. Ano yan? Sabi 30,000, 20,000, 30,000. Ito daw mumurahin lang. Mumurahin lang yan. Pero ito yung mga ito. Mamahalin. Sid will be the one who's gonna be a politician in the family. So he got this. Oops, sorry, pamangkin. Pinakita ko na yung room mo. Just so excited kasi. Ito mga collection niya, toys niya. But, yung bed is still my mom and dad's bed. Oh my gosh, huwag mo sasabihin, 50 years old na rin yan when we start. And so with those are Nara. Ito rin. Hindi pwedeng anhin to kasi Nara to. Nara. So that was when we started building our house. So yan ang Nara. Nara. Wow, look at that. Alam mo, hindi alam na pamangkin ko, pinapakita ko yung room. Pero, you know, I'm happy. Siya naman nakakuha ng ano na to, yung room. Kasi, at saka, one thing, ni-renovate din ng aking sister ang bathroom. So, makakita, ang ganda-ganda ng bathroom, oh. O, dito ko naliligo. Kasi, naliligo ako. Kasi may heater. Alam naman ako, laki na ako sa Amerika eh. So, heater is the most important to me. So, ang ganda ng banyo, no? Ganda. Anyway, so proud of my sister. Okay, babush, I'll show you later. At makikipaglaro ako kay Racket. Si Racket.